Good morning, fellow traders. Bubblehead here. It's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Tuesday, December 31st, 2019. Happy New Year, everybody. It's the last day of the month, last day of the year. So it's been quite a while, 2019, so looking forward to 2020 for sure. So before we get started, this is all brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. All right, since it's the last day of the month, we may as well check out the monthly chart, right? So the monthly chart here, we're showing as a green hammer, right? We had a little bit of a rough day yesterday. I assume we're going to close green, but anything could happen today, of course. My guess is that they're probably still going to try to mark these things up into the end of the year, just so they could show they had some of them on their book. So we'll take a look at those in a little bit here. The weekly chart got a little bit red yesterday, and we saw the first shot across the bow of this micro upper trend line, right? We see a the first candle broke below it, forming the beginnings of a trend box right here. So we'll see if we push below that and real quickly fill that gap below here. If not, we may hold this as support and try to work our way up, and we'll see what they have in store for today. So far, S&P futures. A little bit of a dip overnight, and then they recovered and now back down again. So we'll see. I mean, here you can see the action from yesterday, kind of big move down. We're just kind of chopping in this range right now. So you kind of put a triangle around this. Let's take a look. Kind of put a triangle around this here, and kind of here-ish. Right, so you're kind of holding this. We'll see if that holds these levels here into the open today, and see if the market can get any strength, or if they decide to sell it off into the new year. So, but one of the ones they didn't sell off yesterday was Apple. Right, they kept this one up pretty well yesterday. They did flush it at the open, but it held its macro upper trend line, right, and then it basically worked its way up to finish pretty green yesterday. So we'll see if they try to push that to all-time highs today. It's down a little bit pre-market. Tesla had their Shanghai plant yesterday, so able to produce, I can't remember, I think it was like 1,000 cars in a week, something like that. Anyway, so it was getting pretty bullish yesterday pre-market, then it flushed to down like almost like 17 points yesterday. So a little bit of a recovery. Now it's back down a little bit pre-market here as well. I guess one of the big ones, one of the biggest gainers of the S&P has been AMD over the year. And this is one they may try to mark up today just to show that they were in it, right? So that got a little bit of an upgrade this morning, but it seems to have pulled back a little bit here too. So no earnings this morning, but we may see some follow through from NIO. So NIO had a big earnings day yesterday. We reviewed this on the free live stream last night, but it just cleared so many levels yesterday, including the 200-day moving average, and then was rejected by its macro downward trend line. So it's going to be tough for it to get above that for a gap up day breakout, high breakout. But we may see some activity today. It was up a little bit pre-market and it's kind of down now. So we'll see how that goes into the open. So anyway, guys, I hope everybody has a wonderful trading day today, and just want to thank everybody for your support. And it's been a great year, and really looking forward to an amazing 2020. And can't do it without you. So thank you guys for your support, your likes, your retweets, your follows, subscriptions, and everything. So thank you again so much. And I wish you guys the most blessed 2020, the most blessed year that you guys can have. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.